Hi guys, welcome in Advanced Excel Program 2013 and I'm Sanjay Kumar, your trainer. And right now we are in the fourth chapter of module 2 where we will be learning the fundamental of tables and some power tips. So in this chapter we're going to learn that how to create tables, what are their properties, tools and external data and so on. So here I have opened Excel 2013 and now let's see that what are the fundamental of a table. So like other examples, we have a small table here. This is the employee table that have employee name, ID, cell number, salary, commission, incentive, country and group. So you may have a question in your mind that Excel spreadsheet is itself like a table, then why we need tables. So table give you extensive and more features that you can use to format your table, first thing, and second thing, the table can be called in other external tools as well. So you can also call a particular set of data in Access with the table name. So table is not only just give you a static look, but it also give you much more than that. So you can use the table into SQL, Access and other external tools. So convert your spreadsheet or set of data into a table. We have to go in a insert ribbon, and there you would see a section called tables, and here you would see a table button. So you have to just click on anywhere. If you will click here and click on the table data, it will ask you the area that where your data is lying on. So instead of doing that, I show you the best practice. I'm gonna click cancel. I'm gonna click on anywhere in this data set. Now I'm gonna click table here, and here you would see that it automatically picking the area of the data that we have in this table. So it already picking that, and here in this section you would see we have a checkbox that give you visibility to pick the header names from your table. So if I keep it checked, so the employee name, employee ID, these are the headers. Table will calculate or count that as headers. So I want these headers in the same name, so that name can be also used in other external tools or other external Microsoft application, just like Access. So I'm gonna click OK. So here you would see the moment when I clicked OK, we got another ribbon that is designed only to format this data set. So by default we are assigned a format here, a table format here that we can change. For that you have to go in design tab, and here in the table styles, so you can pick any of your favorite style that you want to create, or you can create your new style as well, or you can clear style as well. So this is the one of the good feature Excel that give you a visibility to design your table in a quick click. And if you want to create a new table style, then you have to click on here, new table style, and it will ask you that which element need to be formatted based on your new criteria. So the whole table, first column stripe, second column stripe, so it's on you that what kind of formatting you like. If you want the first column stripe, then you have to click on format here, and here you can give any font that you want in that table, the underlines or colors that you want, and in the second tab you can select the borders, and here the fill colors. So you can pick any color and create your own customize table style. So I leave it as it is because we're going to discuss the table property in this video. So I am going to select any one of the ready-made table style from here. I'm gonna select this one. Yeah. And when you apply the table on your data, you get this filter as well. So you can modify these settings from here, table style options. So here you would see the header row, it is checked. So if you uncheck it, it will remove entire header section from your data set. So we don't want that, so I'm gonna click back on this. We need filter on this. If this is a small data, we don't require filter. I'm gonna click uncheck. If it is a big data, yes, definitely we need that. I'm gonna click back. And banded rows, if you uncheck that, you would not see band on the rows. We need that. And in the same way we can use the other options as well. Just like first column, you would see that they are highlighted, the first column in a bold, last column like this. And if we need total, it would be a kind of table that would have lots of numerical values. It will also give you the total of as well, like here. And banded columns, we check with row, and here is column. So you would see that it's changing the color. So this how these things works very handy, very useful. You can use it. And whenever we convert any range or cell columns into a table, Excel automatically give a table name. Again, in the design ribbon tab, and in the first section properties, you would see name here, it is a table 3. So you can rename as well. So you're gonna type test for now. You also can change the range of this table. Right now it is just taking A1 to H17. So I can also resize this by clicking on the resize button, and we can give a new range as well. So I'm not going to give a new range. And last but not least, the feature that allow you to give you automated pivot tables, that is very handy, and that we can use it. So the concept of pivot table, we will discuss that later in this course in a detail. For now, because we are discussing tables, I'm gonna show you that how to use the recommended pivot tables. So this is the beauty of tables, that once you have table, you can go in insert section and recommended pivot tables, click on that button, and it gives you some possibilities that you may like in your data as a pivot. So here you would see we have a country, and there's sum of commission, this column and this column. Based on that, it is creating a pivot for you. So there are some other options as well based on your type of data that you may like to create. So you can choose any of these ready-made pivot tables and go and click on it, and it give you that pivot table in a new sheet. So this is very handy and very useful. We will discuss entire concept of pivot table in a detail in the coming videos. So let me give you a power tip of the day. So instead of converting this table by going and clicking on insert and then table, we have a shortcut as well. So before I go and show you that how to do that, just let's learn how to convert this table back in a normal range. For doing that, we will go back in the design, and here you would see in the tools button is called convert to range. You just have to click on it, and it will populate this box that will ask you, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes, for this demo we want this. I'm gonna click yes, and here you would see the property of the table is gone now. We have just this is just normal color formatting. It would not populate back the design tab here. So this how you can convert the table back into a normal range. And let me show you the power tip now, that you can convert this data set back in a table. You have to click anywhere in the data set and press Ctrl and T from your keyboard, and you would see that it would populate this dialog box that would be asking you the range and confirmation on header for that table. So we got this box without going in insert and selecting table. It was just a shortcut from your keyboard, Control T, and I'm gonna click OK, and we got it back. Design and all the features of the tables are back now. So this how you can convert the table into a range. For now, this video was to introduce you that what is the table, how you create that, and how to format it, what are the table style options, and how you can rename it. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any question, you can post that on my video and I will get back to you. So in next video we will learn how to use table slicer. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get update on coming videos in this series. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again.